The Reader's Guide to Periodical Literature is an index of about 300 popular periodicals published in the United States and Canada from 1901 to the present. The index can be searched by subject and author and includes thousands of cross-references. Located downstairs in the reference section, the volumes are arranged by date. Usually, there is just one volume per year, but some years are different. Pay close attention to the date ranges. Choose the volume or volumes relevant to your subject and time frame. Let's use the 1969 Apollo 11 moon landing as our subject. 1969 is covered in 2 volumes, so we need to know the exact date of the moon landing, which is July 20th, 1969. Make a list of words related to your topic, such as Apollo 11, Neil Armstrong, or moon landing, and the cross-references will guide you to the correct classification. Under Apollo 11 flight, the cross-reference reads, Space flight to the moon, then the subheadings, Manned flights, Armstrong, Aldrin, Collins flight, 1969. So turn to that. Citations from articles covering your subject are listed below. Like most indices, Reader's Guide to Periodical Literature uses abbreviations, which can be found at the very beginning of each volume of the guide. Looking at Greatest Week in the History of the World Since the Creation, following the key from the abbreviations page, we see that IL stands for illustration, US News is short for US News and World Report. Volume or issue 67, pages 4 through 6. AG stands for August, so August 4th, 1969. Take a picture of or write down the citation so that you can refer to it later. Now we need to see if the library has this article. On the library's homepage, change the field to title and enter the title of the journal, magazine, or newspaper. Scroll down and limit the format to journal. Look through the results, read the descriptions, and select the best match, paying attention to the date range that Bracket Library owns. Bracket Library may own different date ranges in different formats. For example, we have 1948 to 1949 on microfilm, 1950 to 1983 in bound periodicals, 1983 to 2002 on microfiche. Under Access Online, you can see different databases offering different ranges of digital coverage. 1969 is in the bound periodicals, so write down the call number and bring it with the citation when you go to look for it. If Bracket Library doesn't have the journal, submit a request through your library account, including as much citation information as possible. In about 1 to 4 days, we can usually obtain a PDF of your article, though the time may vary depending on the age of the article and the popularity of the journal. We're ready to help at the information desk if you need any assistance in locating a citation.